हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे।
तया विहितमाकर्ण्य कंसं परमविस्मितः देवकीं वसुदेवं च विमुच्य प्रसृतो ब्रवीत् अहो भगिन्यहो भाम मयां वावत पापं पाप्मना पुरुषादम् इव पत्यं बहवो हिंसिता सुतः स त्वं स त्वहं त्यक्तकारुण्यः त्यक्तज्ञातिसृहत्खलः क्वा क्वालोकान् वै गमिष्यामि ब्रह्मदेवः मृतश्वशान् देवमप्यनृतं व्यक्ति न मर्त्या एव केवलं यद्विश्रम्भादहं पापः स्वसूर्निहतवाञ्छीषुन् मा शोचतं महाभागावात् that Atmajan Bhagav Mahabhagavat.
महाभागौ आत्मजान।
Okay. Ma shochatam mahabhagau atmajan swakrutam bhujah jantavo na sadaikatra daivadhinastadasate भुवि भौमानि भूतानि यथा यान्त्यपयान्ति च नायमात्मा तथैतेषु विपर्येति यथैव भू यथा नेवं विदो भेदो यत आत्मं विपर्ययः देहयोगावियोगौ च संसृतीर्णं निवर्तते तस्माद् भद्रे स्वतनयान् मया व्यापादितानपि मानुषोच यतः सर्वः स्वकृतं विन्दते वशः यावद्धतोऽस्मि हन्यास्मीत्यात्मानं मन्यते स्वदृक् तावत्तदभिमान्यज्ञो बाध्यबाधकतामियात् क्षमध्वं मम दौरात्म्यं साधवो दीनवत्सलाः इत्युक्त्वाश्रुमुखं पादौ शालः स्वस्त्रो रथाग्रहित मोचयामास निगडात् विस्रब्ध कन्यकागिरा देवकीं वसुदेवं च दर्शयन्नात्मसौहृदं भ्रातुः समनुतप्तश्च शान्त्वा रोषं च देवकी व्यसृजद् वसुदेवश्च प्रहस्य तमुवाचः एवमेतन्महाभाग यदा वदसि देहिनाम् अज्ञानप्रभवां हन्दिः स्वपरेतिभिदायतः शोकहर्षं भयद्वेष लोभमोहमदान्विताः मितो घ्नन्तं न पश्यन्ति भावैर्भावं पृथग्दृशः।
Radhe Krishna. Super. Very nice. Beautiful reading. Aho Bhagini. Suddenly he's remembered. Oh, my dear sister. All this time he was killing her children. Even now he came to kill the last child. He says, I don't know. I have become such a sinner. I have done such bad things. Bhavo himsita sutaha. Brahmaha iva mritashvasanne. Terrible. What bad deeds I have done. Kanlokan, I may go to some really bad place, bad narakas. Lokan here is narakas. I may go to some bad narakas because of this. Daivamapi anrutam bhakti namartya eva kevalam. Martya means human beings. I thought only human beings were used to lying, but even the devatas are lying, he says. That's what he has understood. Daivamapi Anritam. Anritam means lies. Ritam is truth. Anritam is opposite of truth, false. Because he's saying the Ashira Revak said eighth child is the one who is going to kill me, but this eighth child has disappeared, and she said that who knows the person who is going to end your life, who knows where he is? Etrakwa, we do not know. So that means one of the deities has lied. He's saying either this deity has lied or the deity that predicted this prophecy during your wedding. One of them has lied. Swasur nihatavan shishune. I wish I had not believed. Then I wouldn't have had to kill all your children. Because I believed, I killed. He doesn't want to accept that he has done something bad. Now he's trying to shift the blame. ஓ தெய்வம் பொய் சொல்லிடுத்து அதனால அப்படி கொல்ல வந்தது என்ன பண்றது otherwise I would have not have I was a good guy. That is the argument he's trying to make. Like Ravanano is making the argument. Rakshasa Vidhi, so we are allowed to kidnap. Tappu. Rakshasa Vidhanangra wedding is a different one. There the princess has to say, oh, I want to get married to you. And if the family says no, then the prince is allowed to kidnap her. Prior, the princess has to initiate, like Rukmini initiated. Then Rakshasa Vidhanena Kalyanam is okay. Not somebody who is already married, who has no interest absolutely to be with this person. He kidnaps. That is a not correct interpretation of the Rakshasa Vidhana Vivaha Dharma. Similarly, here he is saying the gods have lied. What do I do? Then he is saying, don't worry. Please don't be sad. Masochastam Mahabhagav. Masochastam, don't be sad that so many of your children have died, because every being, human or otherwise, every being has to enjoy the fruits of their good deeds and suffer the fruits of their bad deeds. Swakritam bujaha. Swakritam bujaha. Swakritam. Whatever they have done in the past, their karma has made it that they have to suffer this gruesome death when they are born. क्या बोलेगा इसको अभी ऐसा आर्गुमेंट देता है ठीक है मां सोचस्त्वम जंतवो न सदैकत्र दैवादीनः even if the karma is not applicable दैवादीनो these all things happen because some god, some goddess wills it. So that is why all these things have happened. Shifting. Bhuvi bhaumani. Then he is giving them Atma Jnanam. Nayam Atma tathaiteshu bhuvi bhaumani bhutani yatha yanti apayanti chay. Beings are born and they die, but the Atma is never like that. People who do not know that the Atma doesn't have birth or death, they are the ones who are fated to keep being born again and again. Deha yoga viyoga cha samsrutir na nivartate. Keeps saying all these things. Kshamadvam is ending with please forgive me. Mama dauratmyam. I have been really terrible to you. But you are good people. Sadhavo deenavatsalaha. Because he is now convinced that what the goddess has said must be true. So he is actually freeing them also from their jail. Devaki and Vasudeva, God bless them, they are forgiving him. Sattvagunam, iblo sattvagunam. It's too much sattvagunam. They are forgiving this guy. He's killed 6 of their sons. They are forgiving him. Bhratus samanutaptasya kshantva rosham cha janaki vesrujat vasudevascha. Both of them have removed their hatred, their enmity from their hearts totally. They don't feel that at all. Rahasya, he is smiling. Vasudeva is smiling and talking to him. And he said, what you said is absolutely correct. The body is different from the Atma. Yatha badhasi dehinam People who don't understand that, they are the ones who have to keep getting caught in this samsara sagara, ajnana prabhavaham dehi, and therefore they suffer shoka, harsha, bhaya, dvesha, lobha, moha, madanvitaha. People who do not know that they are the Atma, who think that they are the Sharira, they get all these. Sometimes they are sorrow, they face sorrow, sometimes they face happiness, sometimes they face fear, sometimes they face enemies, sometimes they are captured by greed, sometimes they are captured by jealousy, sometimes they are captured by their own ego, and they fail to realize that the way the world runs is mitho gnantam na pashyanti, because they are so caught up in their own desires, in their own happiness and sadness and victory and loss and all those things. So they are failing to see that the world runs like this. One thing is the death for something else. In his words, it is coming out that way, that the eighth child is somewhere else and that child is going to be your death. That is a dhvani in that particular shloka. Sri Sukha Uvacha.